So let's try to prove the Lindelof covering theorem. If A element of Rn and F be an open covering of A, then there is a countable subcollection of F which also covers A. So we let G is equal to, and set A sub 1, A sub 2, infinitely many. So in G, it is infinitely many. So there exists a K. So G is denoted as countable subcollection of all n balls. So pwede ring AN, kaso hindi siya magandang gamitin this time kasi magkakahalo na yung letter. So gagamitin na lang natin yung AK, itong AK. So let's try to prove. X is element of A, and then there exists S is element of F. So we know that F is open covering of A. So sa F, there is an open set. Okay, ilagay ko lang F S is open set in R class. Open set. Then X is also an element of S. Kasi nga, F covers A, diba? So, X belongs to A and S element of F. So, in X, there is S. And we know that, we know that G there exists AK. So, AK such that X is element of AK subset of S because X element of A. Because of X element of A, so X is also an element of A sub K. A sub K subset of S. So, mag-note tayo. Mag-note. Wait lang, paano? Saan ko lalagay? Note. Note na there exists AK because it is infinite in G. It is infinitely many, but we need to choose only one minimum index and call it MX. Call it MX. So, sa K, pipili tayo ng isa lang. Ay, isa ang tatawagin natin itong MX. Diba? So, lagay ko na. AMX such that X element of AMX subset of S. Now we know that AMX now we have a AMX, diba? So we know that AK is equal to AMX. So such that X belongs to AMX subset of S. Then, diba? So A is equal to union of AMX, diba? Diba X is element of A, A is equal to union of all AMX. So meron din din tayong AMX is equals to SM. Mag-i-exist din yung SM kasi nga, di ba? S is element of F, di ba? And X is element of A. Therefore, there exists A element of X, then mag-exist din yung SM kasi nga S is element of F. So, then now, the subcollection of F is obviously S sub 1, S sub 2, infinitely many. Just like the G. So, this covers A. Because S1, S2, kaya nag-exist ito kasi it's subcollection of F. Also, pwede din nating isulat na ganito, itong ganito, yung S1, S2, infinitely many. And we know that F is an open covering of A, di ba? Yung nandito yung na-describe. Then F also covers S1, S2, infinitely many. So F, S sub 1, and S sub 2, infinitely many, ganon din sa ginawa nating let G is equal to A sub 1, A sub 2. Then now, the theorem is proved.